Hi, I'm Komal, Project Manager at Intelimo. We've come across different types of clients wherein some were focused on sales and others on generating leads. For collecting leads, you can either create your own landing page, put a form in it, ensure that it functions well, looks good, and so much more. Or you can simply create a Facebook ad with an inbuilt lead form. Let's see how. So for creating lead gen ads, it's important that you have created a campaign which has lead generation as its objective. If not, then you can create it by clicking on plus create right under campaigns. In the campaign objective, I'll have to select objective as lead generation. Then you can specify your audience as you like. Since that is not our area of focus currently, we'll skip to add. So I'll click on edit. So if you haven't attached a lead form in your ad, then an error starts showing up here. So once you have selected your Facebook page, you can scroll downwards. If you have created any form earlier, then it will start appearing here. So you can either select the same, or you can also create a new lead form by clicking right here. Then you can select your form type, whether it has to be more volume or higher intent. The difference between both is that in higher intent, an extra review step is added that gives people a chance to confirm their information. You can also give a name to your form. Then in your intro, you can put in the image that you like by clicking on second option. Use upload image and then select the kind of image that you would like to use. You can write in your greeting that you like here in form of headline and description. Let's say I'll write here, welcome to Intelimo. If it's a paragraph, then you can choose this option. If you're going to list down things, then you can select the second option here. After that comes the questions that you'd like to know. These are the pre-fill questions, that is, their answers will be taken automatically from the Facebook profile and a user wouldn't have to fill these manually. So there's full name and email, which is already there. You can also add more by clicking on plus add category and then specify the field that you'd like to add. For example, if you want phone number to be added, then you can click right here. If you would like the name field to be on top, then you can drag it and place it just above email like this. These are the various sort of fields that you can add. If there's any custom question that you'd like to add, you can add it from here. It can be of 4 kinds. You can either have a multiple choice question or a short answer, conditional, or an appointment request. So let's say if it's a multiple choice, for example, I'll write which option would you prefer, and then I'll mention my options right here in the answers. Let's say option A, option B, option C. So this is where you can present with your choices, and as you can see in the preview form given on the right hand side, this is how your question would appear along with the options. You'll also have to put in the link for your privacy page right here. So I've placed a link here. If you would like to add a custom disclaimer, you can do that as well. In the completion part right here is how your form will appear once a user has already filled in all the information and submitted the form. In the call to action button, these are the various options which are available with you. If you want a user to visit your website, you can use your call to action as view website and put in your link of the website right here. Similarly, if you want to change the text of this button, then you can do so from here. Once you are completed, you can click on publish. As you can see, it has been added in the ad. We hope you can launch your Facebook lead ads easily now. If you still face any confusion, then you can simply sign up on Intelimo and launch campaigns easily with our ready-made ads. Link for the same is in the description below. If you want more such videos, then do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.